Here's a practical, latest working guide on how to access NordVPN in Saudi Arabia even if the NordVPN website or parts of its service are blocked locally, plus pro tips to help you get it working reliably. 1. Download and subscribe before you travel or lose access. Because Saudi networks, and some UAE networks, sometimes block VPN provider sites including Nord's, the safest move is to sign up and download the apps, Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, before entering Saudi Arabia. This ensures you already have the installer and credentials, even if the NordVPN website gets blocked later. Recommendation: save installation. File somewhere safe, example cloud drive or USB drive, so you can reinstall without needing to reach the blocked website again. 2. Install from official app stores if the website is blocked. If the NordVPN site is inaccessible locally, you can still get the app from app's official stores, Android * Google Play Store, iOS * Apple App Store, Windows/Mac * free download installers, as above. For Android, if the Play Store shows restrictions, you can download the APK directly from Nord's official non-blocked sources or support guidance. 3. Use alternative domains or support tools. Some users report that the regular NordVPN login or site pages are blocked locally. In those cases, try alternative NordVPN domains or support pages that host setup guides or config files, example manual client config pages. Use Tor browser or DNS over HTTPS on your system to load blocked web pages if needed. 4. Manual VPN setup via built-in protocols. If the NordVPN app won't connect or you can't log in because the site is blocked by your ISP, set up a manual VPN connection using *OpenVPN via an OpenVPN client. *IKF2 profile. WireGuard, NordLinks, manual keys. NordVPN offers downloadable config files for these setups in its support documentation. Pro tip: ask NordVPN support for manual login credentials, service credentials from your account panel, so the manual setup can authenticate without going through any blocked web API. 5. Use obfuscated server/stealth mode. Some ISPs or local filters may detect and block VPN traffic. Nord's obfuscated servers make your encrypted traffic look like regular HTTPS traffic, making it much less likely to be blocked. In the NordVPN app, turn on obfuscated servers before connecting. If the app itself is not accessible, manual configs can sometimes be directed to obfuscated endpoints provided by support. 6. If login/access itself is blocked. Some Gulf users report that the NordVPN login page itself won't load inside the country, even though the VPN connection works once logged in. The workaround: connect to any working VPN first, even a free or secondary one, right arrow then open the NordVPN login page and log in. Once authenticated and connected to the NordVPN app, you can disconnect the temporary VPN and continue using NordVPN directly. This double VPN login trick essentially uses the first VPN to authenticate on the blocked Nord site. 7. Use a hotspot or secondary network as a workaround. If your *home ISP or public Wi-Fi blocks VPN access, turn your mobile data into a Wi-Fi hotspot and connect your device to that VPN. Often works over cellular data even when blocked on fixed ISPs. This method has helped people get past ISP-level VPN blocks without changing settings of the main network. 8. Check legal and practical considerations. In Saudi Arabia, using a VPN itself is not illegal, but the purpose of use matters. Using a VPN to access restricted content considered illegal can carry penalties, fines, or other consequences even if the VPN is legal. So use it responsibly for privacy, security, or accessing allowed content. Bottom line: even if Nord's website or login pages are blocked in Saudi Arabia, you can still access and use the service by planning ahead, installing apps, using alternate sources, app stores or APKs, setting up manual VPN profiles, leveraging obfuscated servers, and sometimes using a secondary VPN or network to get past the initial login barrier. NordVPN remains one of the most recommended VPNs for users in Saudi Arabia due to its strong privacy, security, and ability to bypass local restrictions when configured properly.